crazy are gonna be dogs like Abby and Bubba someday. What's this face? The little girl. He seems nice. What do you think, Abby? So is this one here's a boy? Oh, is that his wee-wee? Oh yeah, I guess so. Okay. You got a wee-wee. What do you know about that? You want to suck on my nose? Hello. Hello, you little dog. Aren't they fun, Mom?
Yes, they're adorable.
I can't wait to see him in like 3 weeks. When you're all big and you can play with me, then I'm gonna squish you.
You're not. You will not
I will
squish
squish you. You're gonna get squished in a real nice way, though.
Gabby, you've never had your picture taken so often, have you?
Well, when she was a puppy, she got a lot of shots.
Look at Abby.
Oh, he's sucking on my hand. He's sucking on my hand, aren't you? Zoom in on this puppy. On his face. Did you get him in the yawn?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you yawned,
I
didn't
don't know, I
you?
don't have my glasses on, honey.
You wanna go back to Mama?
Aren't they just amazing?
Yeah. You like me, don't you? You like me. Well, Abby, you just dropped some ass, didn't you? You want me to show you how to do the video camera on there?
Yeah, let me get my glasses though. Hey, she pretty much look there.
Yeah, she'll probably be ready to go to the bathroom real soon.
What?
She'll probably be ready to go to the bathroom soon.
Well, that's it though. Look at them. Okay, I need a little something.